How to mark important emails automatically. This tutorial shows you how to let Gmail flag key emails for you based on your habits. First, open the Gmail app on your Android. After that, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. Let me show you. From there, scroll down and tap on Settings. At this point, tap on your email account from the list. In the next step, tap on Inbox Type. Following this, tap on Priority Inbox from the list of options. Once done, close Settings once Priority Inbox is selected. From here, go back to your inbox to see it now split into sections, with important and unread emails at the top. At this stage, look for a small yellow arrow icon next to emails Gmail has automatically flagged as important. Following this, tap on that arrow next to any email to manually mark or unmark it, which helps Gmail learn your preferences over time. Keep in mind, Gmail bases importance on things like how often you email someone, which messages you open, and which ones you star or archive. Finally, come back to this same menu anytime you want to switch back to a regular inbox instead. And that's it. If this guide helped you mark important emails automatically, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.